Hello everyone, this is Anand Karthik and today's video is a kind of a techie one because it is about Apple. In this video we are about to go through the journey of an iPhone and let's understand what it takes from the point of manufacturing of parts to the point of reaching the customer's hands. Okay, without further go, let's hop into the video. We all know that iPhones are the most selling product of Apple, and it's also the most famous product of Apple. You know what? About 1 billion phones have been sold worldwide since the first iPhone, and most of them, about half of them, were manufactured in a 2.2 square mile factory which is located in Zhengzhou, China. This factory is run by a Taiwanese owned company called Foxconn, which manufactures about most of the iPhones that we use now. Now let's talk about the original parts which are manufactured and imported from 200 companies. Though Foxconn manufactures some of the smaller parts, the factory manufactures about 350 mobile phones per minute and about 5 lakh iPhones per day. The factory has a labor force of 1,50,000 employees who are paid about $1.90 per hour, which is actually very cheap. That is why Apple's manufacturing exists in China, not India. The factory has about 94 assembly lines and an average iPhone goes through 400 stages throughout the assembly. After getting assembled, each iPhone gets fit into a white box and then into a wooden pallet, and all the boxes are arranged in a truck. The trucks then immediately head to the big Chinese customs facility, which is made opposite to the Foxconn company. There the iPhones get priced and they are paid the custom duties, and a portion of iPhone are separated for the Chinese customers, and the balance are sent for international customers. The portion which is set for the Chinese customers are separated and are arranged in a truck which heads to Shanghai, which is a 350-mile trip which takes about 3 days. The same amount of time it takes for an iPhone to go to Louisville in United States, where it reaches the hands of international customers, and then to San Francisco. It takes the same amount of time for iPhones to reach San Francisco and also to Shanghai. The international iPhones get shipped in a Boeing 747, which has a capacity of 1,50,000 iPhones, which are actually filled in an aluminium canister. The Chinese iPhones are arranged in trucks which have a capacity of about 36,000 iPhones, which are worth about US dollars 27 million. So they are given security while they journey towards Shanghai. And you know what, guys? The Chinese iPhones are 20% more expensive than the international iPhones because of the higher tax system in China, and also other taxes which are added throughout its journey to Shanghai. Forget to mention that the Zhengzhou airport have been expanded in the recent years only because of the increase in manufacturing of iPhones, which is actually pretty great, because the Apple company provided the expansion of a whole airport because of its manufacturing. The iPhone production itself provides a great economy for the Zhengzhou region, which is actually quite great. If Apple comes to India, many of the Indian cities could be greatly benefited. I hope Apple comes to India. Okay guys, that is all for today's video, and I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye from Anand Karthik. Have a nice day.